I and I alone take full legal responsibility sa lahat na nagawa ng mga pulis pursuant to my order. Ako ang managot at ako ang makulong. Huwag yung pulis na sumunod sa order ko. Kawawa naman.
It's going to be a dirty fight. It's going to be a bloody fight. I am not apologizing for it. And may I tell all and sundry, lahat, even the international community, lahat na mga disgrasya, makakaso, anumang kaso, under the revised penal code, in the fulfillment of your duties as public authority, akin yan. Mine and mine alone. I assume full legal responsibility for it.